How to combine multiple PDFs on Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you want to combine multiple PDFs on Adobe Acrobat Reader app, it's a very simple process, but it will actually require you to have Premium. So that's the only catch. If you go to a certain PDF here, I want to combine other PDF files to this PDF and merge them into one. What I do is I tap on the More Tools option on the bottom right. There you can see the option called Combine Files. So when I tap on Combine Files option, here I'll be able to select other PDF files as well. So I can tap on the Add Files button, but you'll have to subscribe to Combine Files as you can see. But once I've done that, I can tap the Combine button, then I'll be able to combine those files. This way I can combine PDFs on Adobe Acrobat Reader. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.